Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? I saw this in the mailbox this morning. Well, I'm shooting this and uploading this during the morning anyway. I already opened it, and you might see it's a Ticketmaster, and I won't show the tickets because these three are tickets. And got this as well. I must say it's the BABYMETAL ticket for Stockholm, and I do wonder what this is. If I can get it out one hand. Sorry for the bad quality. I'm gonna put it down and open it like this. What? Much pleasure, and a little silicone. There's nothing in it. Holy God. And yeah, these are the tickets for the BABYMETAL concert. Yep, the VIP ticket for BABYMETAL concert in Stockholm in February, and I must say, holy crap, holy macaronis. It gets more real. Holy crap, holy shit. It's my second VIP ticket ever. First one with BABYMETAL. And it's going to be interesting. Interesting and amazing. I do wonder if I will buy the VIP ticket for Cardiff and London, if they're still available. I might do that after I get home from Tallinn. So keep that in mind. I hope you liked the unboxing. It was a mess, but I hope you like it. Subscribe if you're new, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. And let me know if you're going, so we can maybe meet up. Otherwise, peace.